Saudi defenses intercept ballistic missiles, two weaponized drones targeting Najran and Abha International Airport. Jeddah al-Mukalla, the Iran-backed Houthi militia in Yemen, were accused of war crimes on Tuesday after they launched two armed drones targeting Abha Airport and a ballistic missile aimed at Najran in the south of the kingdom. Saudi air defenses intercepted and destroyed the drones and the missile. 8 people were injured by falling debris, and an Airbus A320 civilian aircraft on the tarmac was damaged. Of the injured, one was Saudi, one from Nepal, three from India, and three from Bangladesh. One of those injured was in a critical condition in the hospital. The Saudi-led coalition in Yemen said the drone attack on the airport constitutes a war crime. Later, the coalition launched an operation targeting a launch pad in Sana'a, the Houthi-occupied Yemeni capital, and said it had destroyed the terrorist elements responsible for the attack. Flights at Al-Othaimeen International Airport were temporarily halted to ensure the safety of incoming and departing aircraft, as well as civilians at the airport, the coalition said. During its weekly meeting, the Saudi cabinet said the attack was a war crime that targeted passengers of different nationalities and airport staff. Yusuf Al-Othaimeen, Secretary-General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, condemned the Houthi attack. Endangering the lives of passengers and civilians is a cowardly terrorist act and a war crime, he said. Al-Othaimeen urged the international community to take a firm stance against what he called the Houthi militia cowardly threats and stop them from using ballistic missiles and weaponized drones to target civilians in the kingdom. Meanwhile, in Yemen, at least 100 Houthis have been killed in the past 72 hours in heavy fighting with the Yemen government troops outside the central city of Marib. The Houthis recently mounted several large attacks on army troops and allied tribesmen defending Marib in al-Mashja, al-Qasara, Jabal Murad and Rabba, triggering fierce clashes that left dozens on both sides dead. The fiercest clashes were in Al-Qasara, west of Marib, where 23 Houthis were killed and many others wounded as warplanes from the Arab coalition destroyed 3 military vehicles. 11 Houthis were captured during fighting in Rabah, south of Marib, as army and coalition warplanes targeted several Houthi military vehicles and military equipments. Colonel Yahya al-Hatimi, the military media director, said that at least 40 Houthis were killed in Al-Qasara on Tuesday morning after government forces carried out a feint retreat and lured them into their position. Government troops also scored gains west of Mari by liberating a swath of land in Mabuda, killing at least 23 fighters. Military officials say the Houthis have been drawn into a military quagmire, a mirror that has largely eroded their numbers and firepower. The Houthi militias have targeted civilians and civilian objects at Abha International Airport a number of times in the past. On February 14, 2016, a Queha-1 missile targeting Abha International Airport was intercepted and destroyed by air defenses. On April 11, 2018, a drone targeting the airport was intercepted. On May 26, 2018, a drone terrorist attack against the airport was thwarted. June 12, 2019, 26 civilians were injured when a missile struck the arrivals hall. June 23, 2019, a Syrian civilian was killed and 21 people of different nationalities were injured in an attack on the airport. The list of injured people included 13 Saudis, 4 Indians, 2 Egyptians, and 2 Bangladeshis. 18 vehicles were damaged in addition to other material damage. On August 31st, 2020, the airport was targeted with a weaponized drone intercepted by coalition forces. On February 10, 2021, the Iran-backed Houthi militias carried out a terrorist attack targeting the airport, causing a fire in a civilian aircraft that was brought under control. On August 31st, 2021, 2 attacks with 2 weaponized drones were carried out in one day. Saudi armed forces have intercepted 385 ballistic missiles, 681 weaponized drones, 79 weaponized vessels, 205 marine mines, 96,912 military missiles. This was the recent last attacks by the Houthi militias. And as such, I think this is the end of this video. If you like this video, if you have anything to say about this video, comment on the comment section. If you like this video and would want more, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. Thank you.